Hey guys, welcome back. As I never played before, and I am going to be doing a quick card opening video of some evolutions. Of course, I just was randomly opening up packs here, not on video, and I pulled my Mega Charizard EX, which I have not had pulled. I pulled a lot of other things, but I haven't pulled that one. And I am still trying to find the Holo and the Reverse Holo. I'll just open up a few more packs here. Now, I'm probably not going to have any luck because I just pulled that. And I pulled a Brock's Grit, too, Full Art Trainer. I opened up like maybe 4 packs today. And, yeah, of course, I couldn't do that on video. I was just sitting here playing the Battle Royale Call of Duty, and I was just like, I'm in the mood to open up a pack. And I should have gotten the camera out first. See? Once you bust the camera out, the luck goes away. Is that for you guys? Oh, I already got them down here. So I'll just open up like 3 or 4 of these, and I will throw this video up on my YouTube channel. Sun's getting a bath, so that gives me some time. I can't believe that. That's insane. Insanity. Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, Diglett, Reverse Holo Seal, and Farfetch, yeah. That is redonkulous. The Blastoise, give me some look. I wish they would have had the reprint Blastoise and Venusaur in this set, but they didn't. Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Energy, Pikachu, Reverse Holo Poliwrath, and for the rare, Gyarados. Nice, got plenty of them. And there you go. I should have a few more videos coming out pretty soon. Ordered some supplies to open up. I don't remember what they are. One of them I know was one of the legendary dogs. I think it's Suicune, or however you say it. Suicune. Alright. Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy. Nice. Actually, not 100% sure if I have the Reverse Holos Zapdos. I have the Holo. And for the rare, Dugong. Let's open up a couple more. Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela, Energy Retrieval, and Beedrill. Yeah, don't forget to check out my eBay store too. I will try to link that down below. I've been slacking on the links because I've just been uploading them straight from my mobile phone. For whatever reason, there's not an option to do that. It also doesn't let you use the tags unless I go back in. And for whatever reason, if I go back in on the PC after I upload it, I feel like it doesn't have an effect. Ooh, nice. Brock's Grit. And for the rare? Oh, Venusaur EX. Very nice. It's actually a very good pull. Sweet. I do have that one, but I will take it. Come on, Charizard Holo. I know you're in here somewhere. Or the reverse. I'd be happy with that too. Do 2 more here, unless this one's a banger. Poliwag, Rattata, Vortex, Electabuzz, Reverse Holo Onix, Farfetch'd, I am getting a lot of evolution bulk as well. That is piling up. So yeah, I have on my eBay, I have a few cards that are listed very low at auction, and they will be ending in 2 days. I'm trying to put up a few every weekend, like maybe 3 or 4. I think I'm gonna get them all GMA graded. It seems to be working out pretty good. I like it. It's getting enough traction, and they're selling. Some of them I think sold for a little lower than they should have, but others I sold a little bit higher than I was expecting. So, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, ooh, Reverse Holo Machamp, and for the rare, the Dugong. And there you go. Got another one down here, might as well open her up. Yeah, I think kind of with the whole eBay thing, I'll just kind of play it by ear. I do want to keep listing them, like I said, at least a few every weekend. But, yeah, if, you know, the economy takes too big of a hit here and people aren't buying or spending as much as they were, then I'm not going to list them. Reverse Holo Chansey, and for the rare, the trio. Well, I got to end off with something, so let's open up another one too. I can't believe my son's downstairs and he's screaming. I can hear him all the way up here. I don't know if that's going to be on the video or not, but that's what that is if you hear that. Alright. And we got Seal, Magikarp, Energy, Caterpie, Reverse Holo Ponyta. Come on, I saw the red there, I thought for sure. And a Starmie. I keep going until I get something now. And we gotta get some luck here. Oh, I'm running out of packs in that booster box. I went through that one pretty quick. I did I did a lot of them right in a row, and then they just sat for a while. And then today I just really wanted to open up. Nice, Fairy Energy. Really just wanted to open up Pokemon packs today for some reason. Reverse Holo Voltorb, and for the rare, oh right, Mega Venusaur EX. Awesome. I'm going to have to go through and sleeve all of these, and I won't block the last QR code. There you go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it for watching, and if you would like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that, and check out the eBay store. All right. See you guys later. Bye.